Alright, so we didn't take the camera in, but we did eat In-N-Out again. So if you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you saw we ate it again. Sorry. Anyways, we are headed to Chandler. We're gonna go get some ice cream sandwiches. And we brought Cupcake along with us because we felt bad for leaving her at the house all day. Hey, you wanna be on camera? So, it's pretty hot out. So, we don't want to leave her in the house. Got the AC on in the truck. She's doing all right. And we're having a mobile detail place come wash the truck while we're eating ice cream. And then I think we're going to go to Mod Pizza later. If you've never been to Mod Pizza, that place is really good. And then I think we're going to go... Oh, what's up, F-150? That's an older one. And then I think we're going to hit the Pavilion car meet tonight. Someone already messaged me about that. So I think we're going to hit the Pavilion car meet. And I'll take you guys along there to kind of see if there's any cool cars out. And yeah, we'll be showing up in the truck. So, if you guys want to see the F-150 and you're at the Pavilion, you're about to see it. But you're seeing this video after. Therefore, this conversation does not matter at all. But we're getting some more Rooster Booster. Gonna go get some ice cream. Gonna get the truck washed. Let's go. Did you bring the goods? Is it the light?
Yes, babe.
Oh my God, don't drop it! Don't drop it! Hey, how you doing? Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Oh my. You missed it on the...
That one.
So this is about 10 grams of fat, 80 carbs. Alright, so we just had Sammy's ice cream, which is ice cream Sammy's. And last night we had the baked bear. Which one was better?
The baked bear.
Because the donut?
Yeah.
Didn't they have a donut there at this one?
I
think
know.
you can get a donut here, but
Well, they
we got
didn't
just cookie ice cream sandwiches, but it was still really good. I think the baked bear is possibly better. If you guys are in Arizona, let me know which one you think is better. But that's the one we think is better. Oh, look, F-150.
You make fun of me.
Alright, so we're getting the truck cleaned by Clean and Neat Mobile Auto Detailing. He was going to do it on the street back there, but we were parked in front of a cemetery, so it's kind of weird if we had to film there. R.I.P. to everyone at the cemetery, and R.I.P. to the F-150 if we filmed it there. So we're following him over to the other side of the street, and that's so funny. So yeah, that would have been a little weird. So I just Googled best mobile detailing places, and he was the first one to answer. I called another one, but they didn't answer. So he answered, and it's pretty quick. He just met us wherever. He can come to your house. But we'll see how good of a job he does. I told him the truck's ceramic coated, so he knows that he won't have to really scrub it or anything, because usually when you soap the truck, everything just falls off. So we'll see how good of a job he does. We'll let Kennedy do the scale today. Yeah, I think he's turning around. So Kennedy is going to do the scale of his cleaning abilities, 1 to 10. 10 being Travis McNutt, 1 being Kevin Blind. If Kevin was blind, how good of a job he would do. Okay, so the scale is 1 to 10. 10 being Travis McNutt, 1 being if Kevin was blind and detailing the truck.
Close.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Okay, you got the scale?
I got it.
Holding on, don't let me repeat it.
Guys, do you think Kennedy's arms are bigger or my arms? Kennedy's or my arms? Vote now down below.
Holding
Kennedy, scale 1 to 10.
I'm gonna give him a 9 because no one is as good as the boss of gloves.
Damn. He actually did a really good job. His name was Joey from Clean and Neat Mobile Auto Detailing, so really awesome guy. We'll plug his information below. If you're in Arizona, anyways, so if you're in Arizona, he'll come to your house, to your work, anywhere, and he'll clean your car. He'll do paint correction, he'll do cleaning, interior, exterior, he'll do anything. My truck came out really good. I give him a 9 also. Actually, I give him a 9.5. Give him a 9.5. 10 is Travis, make that. The guy gave us some microfibers and some cleaning solution that he uses on all of his vehicles and that he uses at the dealers. Are you at my face? Because I feel you're pointing the camera.
I'm literally seeing you. Will you just talk?
Kennedy is the worst
No,
filmer.
I'm not actually. You look really good right now, so you're welcome.
Anyways, so a huge shout out to Joey. That was awesome. And so make sure, guys, you hit him up if you're in Arizona. Make sure you tell him I sent you. And he also showed us a really cool spot where we can go take some sunset pictures. So we're going to do that. And we'll show you where else this vlog goes. All right, where did we just eat?
Mod Pizza.
Did you like it?
Yes, I did. 10 out of 10.
All right, so we just ate at Mod Pizza. We're gonna go head over to the Pavilion, check out the car meet, and see if it's lit or not. I'm about to find out. Hell yeah. Hey. This shit's crazy. Park it in the truck.
I'm serious. Yeah, do it.
It's cool as shit. This is ridiculous. That's dope as fuck. God damn. Who brought the Hellcat? I love the white. That GTR.
Okay, I've seen that rap.
Yeah, that one's famous. That shit's nasty. God damn. That color's crazy. Oof. Freaking idiots. Another white Hellcat. It's a dually. Oh my. That beamer's sick. That's clean too. Fuck. Slam. On nuts. That's nice. Look at that wang. cats faster, no one cares. Bless you. And a 300. Oh shit, sounds fucking good. Track on action. Shit's dope.
Some ice cream.
That's goals right there. Look at this big ass thing. This is how crazy the Pavilions is. People drive this shit here. The most insane car shows in Arizona are at the Pavilions. What'd you think?
I'm gonna daily drive this.
So, hope you guys enjoyed just that little walk around. Didn't want to do anything too crazy. But, I don't know what we're doing next. What are we doing next? I don't know what we're doing next, but we'll see where the vlog takes us. So that's gonna do it for tonight's vlog. Hey, are we doing anything else tonight?
I don't think so.
We're tired.
Yeah.
We're really tired. We'll probably do something else. I don't know. It's still kind of early, actually. Isn't it like 9 o'clock?
Yeah. We can Google something.
Yeah, we'll do something. But we'll take you guys along for the ride tomorrow. When we head back to Texas, we'll wake up, probably eat some breakfast, take Cupcake out on a walk, and then we're headed back to good old Texas. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. What'd you say? That just made my day. That's a Hennessy Viper too. Oh, it's a Venom 700. Oh shit.
Oh no.
Damn. Try and see if I can find something. Alright, so of course, before we leave Arizona, we have to pick up Rooster Booster for Princess Kevin, aka Cali Boy Kev. And first quick trip, doesn't have any cases left, so I had to steal the whole shelf. Not steal, I paid for it, but I had to take the whole shelf. So we're gonna try one more, see if they actually sell them in the cases. Cupcake may drink all the Rooster Booster by the time we get to Texas. Who knows? Here are all these for Cali Boy Kev. We found 2 cases. See you guys in Texas.